What's up guys, my name is Vinicius Rivera, but you guys can call me Vini. This is the third video of Trickology of Skateboarding, and as we talked about in the last videos, from this video on, we're just gonna talk about tricks one by one. And today, we're gonna get into how to do Ollie and also how to do Switch Ollie. Once you start skating and you already got into all the basics, all the stuff we talked about in the latest videos, one good advice I'm gonna give to you, and that's why I'm gonna do all the trick tips on this format, is now you're gonna learn how to do the Ollie. But when you're developing yourself on the board, one thing that is really important and not everybody does is train also the switch stance. So every trick I teach on the regular stance, I'll also teach on the switch stance the same trick. Because in your brain, you gotta think as it's the same thing, because it's literally the same movement, but mirrored. It's on the other stance. So if I'm gonna teach today the Ollie, I'm also gonna teach the Switch Ollie. And on the next video, I'm gonna come with the fake Ollie and also the nollie. Because this way, in all the videos, you're gonna be able to learn the trick on the regular stance and also on the other way around. To do the Ollie, it's gonna be just 3 steps. The foot position is gonna be the front foot is gonna go aligned with the front screws, and the back foot is gonna be right in the middle of the tail. The back foot, the only movement you're gonna do with the back foot is the pop. This is the first step. And once you popped, while you are jumping, the front foot is gonna slide on the board. So you're gonna pop, and as your foot is gonna be sliding, it's gonna be already drawing the Ollie, and then it's gonna catch in the air. You just keep your foot sticky on the board, and then you just land it and keep it light, and you're gonna be already landing the Ollie. I just showed you how to do the Ollie, so now I'm gonna do the Ollie, and you're gonna see on the videos what movements my foot does, what movements my body does, and what movements the skateboard does. Most of the tricks, almost all of the tricks, your feet will draw the tricks, but the board is what is gonna make the work. So now I'm just gonna do the Ollies, then you can watch how it is and try yourself. Once you learn how to do the Ollie and you are already practicing the Ollie, you're already landing it, you just gotta think that to switch it to a Switch Ollie is the same movements but in the other way around. When you're riding a switch, it's natural to be a little backwards. That's normal. On the regular stance, you're gonna be more looking ahead. On the switch stance, it's normal for you to be more backwards. But the movement is literally the same. Front foot is gonna be aligned with the front screws, and the back foot is gonna be right in the middle of the tail. The only thing that sometimes changes is that the back foot gets a little diagonal, but it's fine. That's the way I can teach you, but once you learn, you gotta find your own way of doing it. So the movement is still the same. You pop it, slide it, you let the board draw, your foot draw the trick, keep your body weightless, and then you land it and you keep riding to the other side. Now I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do some Switch Ollies, and then you just observe the movements, what my foot does, what the board does, what my body does, and then try yourself. I just explained the way I could how to do the Ollie and also how to do the Switch Ollie. So all the videos from here on, you're gonna have the regular stance and also the switch stance. And when I do something on fakie, I'm gonna do fakie and also nollie, the same trick. Because it's all the same movements, just change the side. And that's why we made this list of the natural tricks And this is the list we are gonna follow from now on. So all the videos I'll make regular switch, and then the next video is gonna be the same trick on fakie and nollie. So just take the list and let's follow one by one till we finish it. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys have learned something with it. And if you didn't learn, just go back in the video and try again and again. And remember that the work you gotta do yourself. So go out, go skate, take your time to improve yourself, to learn how to skate, and remember to keep it fun. Learn as you can, but remember that you gotta do it your own way. So if you liked it, subscribe, like it, give it a comment, and that's it. I hope to see you guys in the next video.